is first and foremost this sort of perception from the average internet user that everything on the web is free. And so if you say, well, in order to use my search engine, you have to pay me $10 a month or $5 a month, any number, you will just like fail, right? Because the assumption, the inherent perceived value of the web is that it's fantastic, it's great, but it has to be free. And so for some reason, it just was built that way, and you just have to find, a derivative business model where someone else pays for me using that service. Interestingly, it's different on the phone. For some reason, there's this twisted, habit that, okay, it's free on the web, but it's paid on the cell phone. And so some of the elements, funny enough, where you would just never ever agree to pay for anything on the web, you will agree to pay on the cell phone. The model, unfortunately, sort of breaks up in challenging economic environments like now, where advertising has just gone, to the dumpster, and unfortunately it's just the beginning, it's not the end. Even though advertising networks, you could argue, have lost like 60%, 70% in the average CPM that they pay. So you have to find sort of alternative business models. There are a few sort of opportunities. Lead generation is certainly sort of an alternative. I can see micropayments, I can see virtual goods sort of popping in, but it's going to be sort of a fundamental shift eventually that, consumers will have to face, which is, guess what, you have to pay for the damn thing if you like it, otherwise it's not going to last.